Hey guys, so I've had people ask me how I do my rustic American flags and how I etch out the stars on them. As you can kind of see here, you can see the progression of just drawing out the stars there and then them actually being carved out. Now these ones haven't been burnt just yet, so when I get done with them all, I'll go through and I'll burn them so they'll kind of have an appearance like this a little bit. Not much though, and then I go through and I use clear coat and I finish it off there. So here's just a quick time lapse of how I do the stars. You guys might have a better way, and if you do, feel free to let me know. And thanks for watching.